Malakurun wangagan chipron bol kana the International Radio America. Raya ka yagatong ne nitinat ka jan ta bangwan ma guru te ka tiba kwen ye tibia liang dian nok. Anta ma bia rodun falfin ko bia ka liang. An wala a chang ka kel ka fayan ngwan dian. Ron kizna dangraw with the world badak. Masa yeme a warning awako kon media dial tin chiro de las media without consensus. Latkan mandan and bara loidian, latkan to condon kan kamke, latkan mihiatok, latkan milatok. Rudun dial shall determine, Kirudan dial shall determine, and now conchung, especially in our military bases, Kaspela Mayo, and will take a town con to let chat the me, shika to kail kokon, go to latkanke, the materialistic to con to latkanke, most of them shika senmek according to Jishi and Dan Chung Tong me. And if be media don't be a good deal you including me con to contact media and which you warning on my chakon come con meninity con kapayan bangwandian katin let con galat conti ku conti materialistic ku con go survive ka con don't go okay because they are not working so well. Well, I should con the alkulanga in a way again and call a knocker the which I should con the alngajo and ngaka Australia, Europe, Canada, as well as the United States of America. Ku con media to media go to you brand overlook again ka policy the metaja moka media and wo ngu ladimo and wo ngu kulong ni jutaro ka ngu kulog ni giat pele mai wo ku kan juku mu kan jutaro ko kon ka tun kon lad kon ka makin ka yala ka gwa jira mo te ga ti liang dien gwa chung tong mi shit ka ma cha larawon ya rudan dial cha warning ka biang ha je wo to kon ka issue mulunu one day mu wi yak de wo jog jira mo you will buy you gonna be by your own and ya namawu tatoka ken guru oba laria ka bakam ya ka jen gwa dung ti de man wande jong ni ye won kan chup ka even the altin char ya laka tillat na tin fan telat ka fan wo te ke meeting mi chawtin ka dung media ka na the International Radio America michal ka press conference ka San Paul Minnesota milunu wo me chawo cha media dan ke cha radio dan cha wa for 5 ka device na dangro one device ngadi a recorder camera mananan bungwag dia recorded enemy cha lat batatin ka gwa ba rayo kwa gor banyo ko replay enje na mo na ma cha for by to kon enje no mi cha recorder camera enje no mulunu kana the International Radio America sha kamkon ko wo miteke show ki media milalka ba yik serap nan enjen betin diala latka bakaro court yurun mitege mugurke de shotin ba shotin ka mitege mugurke cha de shotin and then betin kan kwa gorbo kwa nyok replay ba wo replay na ma cha survive ko kon na Minnesota Public Radio and wo cha na the International Radio sha kam recorder cams ame in case Amanda Dian, Amela Chalke, the interview mic me, cha survive kokon, Canada International Radio America. Allo interview mic me, dear cameraman and qua interview. Quote year, Tego California, Tenica, dear Cambia Guadamatesino. And then be everything an quala interview baling a public, ka radio Rator Biel, ka radio Hindu, Kianaware. And Nama Shwala the interview mic and everything back camera. She loaded test ke Minnesota Public Radio and dan and to survive and mendo din and bakutin a quick way an ideal de chunga promise nika September of 2017 it the UK and European when Shana continue don't obey you push kwalawo ba public ba lalar ka hiot kunu anga kananga enjen panana dang diok enjen chikana permit kana ta member to shop ko wan ki die to ngaje ni hiot ken go hiot ken gorpin menin te kon enjen hiot ken chaka gorpin ke jen gwa de dan mlono chaka survive ka kel ken hiot to panana dang diok to raw ka ko mo ha Nebraska panankel jador la chale Demoy Iowa ka my friend dangraubo ka Demoy Iowa ka my friend dangwan ko kien ka Omaha Nebraska ramkel ja ka St. Paul Minnesota shikana larba kana yor yong ni September ya